Welcome to AI Horizons, Future of Tech and AI. Today, we're diving into one of the most important questions of our time. How will AI transform the job market over the next decade? This is a topic that affects every single one of us. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a business owner, the rise of AI is reshaping the workforce in ways we've never seen before. Some jobs will disappear completely, others will evolve, and brand new careers will emerge. The question is, are you prepared for this shift? Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the future of technology. And let me know in the comments. Do you think AI will take your job, or do you see it as an opportunity? Let's talk about it. All right, let's get started. 1. Jobs that will disappear. AI is advancing at an incredible pace, and repetitive, routine-based jobs are the most vulnerable. Let's break down some of the industries at the highest risk. A. Customer service. Representatives. Imagine calling a company for support and instantly getting all your answers from an AI assistant. No waiting, no frustration, just instant solutions. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already handling millions of customer inquiries daily. Companies prefer AI-driven support because it's faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. As AI improves, the need for human customer service agents will shrink drastically. Example, major companies like Amazon, Google, and major banks have already implemented AI chatbots. If you've interacted with an automated assistant recently, you've already seen how human-like they've become. The next step, AI will handle even complex customer problems without human intervention. In fact, studies predict that by 2035, over 90% of customer interactions will be handled by AI. This doesn't mean there won't be any human representatives left, but their roles will shift from answering repetitive queries to handling highly specialized and complex cases that AI still struggles with. B. Data entry clerks. For decades, companies have relied on data entry clerks to process vast amounts of paperwork, but AI can now extract, verify, and categorize information instantly, making manual data entry nearly obsolete. Example, corporations now use optical character recognition, OCR, and machine learning models to process invoices, contracts, and paperwork. AI can scan thousands of pages in seconds, flag inconsistencies, and even correct errors in real time. In 10 years, human data entry clerks may be extremely rare. Construction factory and warehouse workers. The Industrial Revolution brought machines, but AI is bringing intelligence to those machines. Factories and warehouses are rapidly transitioning to automated systems where robots work faster, more accurately, and without breaks. Example, Amazon uses AI-driven robots to pick, pack, and transport items in its fulfillment centers. These robots can navigate massive warehouses, identify products, and move them with extreme precision. In the future, human warehouse jobs will likely be limited to machine supervision and maintenance. The rise of autonomous delivery drones and self-driving freight trucks also means that even logistics and transportation roles will be affected by AI in the near future. D. Retail cashiers. Imagine walking into a store, grabbing what you need, and walking out without stopping at a checkout counter. AI is making this a reality. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-driven stores like Amazon Go allow customers to shop without cashiers. AI tracks purchases and deducts payments automatically. Example, In major cities, cashierless stores are expanding. AI-powered cameras, sensors, and RFID tracking make it possible to eliminate checkout lines altogether. If this trend continues, traditional checkout counters may disappear entirely, leaving human employees to handle customer experience roles instead. E. Telemarketers. Telemarketing is already a tough industry, but AI-driven voice assistants are now making it even harder for humans to compete. AI systems can make calls, hold conversations, and even persuade customers better than humans. Example: Google's AI assistant can make restaurant reservations and handle phone inquiries in a natural-sounding voice. Imagine the same technology applied to sales calls. Companies will no longer need human telemarketers. The impact is already being felt. AI-powered voice agents can make thousands of calls per minute, analyzing tone, customer interest, and engagement in real time, allowing businesses to scale sales efforts like never before. 2. Jobs that will evolve. Not all jobs will disappear. Some will transform as AI takes over routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and complex decision-making. A. Healthcare professionals. AI is already revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment planning, and drug discovery, but it won't replace doctors. Instead, it will assist them, making medical processes faster and more precise. Example: AI can analyze X-rays and MRIs with higher accuracy than radiologists. But human doctors are still needed for ethical decisions, complex diagnoses, and patient interactions. Furthermore, AI-powered robotic surgeries are improving success rates and reducing complications. However, surgeons still play a critical role in overseeing these procedures, ensuring that human intuition and adaptability guide the technology. 3. New jobs that will emerge. As AI eliminates some jobs, brand new careers will emerge, many of which we can't even imagine yet. Here are some of the top predictions. A. AI specialists and engineers. As AI grows, the demand for AI developers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers will skyrocket. New industries will require experts who understand how to build, optimize, and deploy AI models in everything from finance to medicine. AI ethics consultants. AI raises ethical concerns, privacy, bias, and job displacement. AI ethics consultants will help companies create fair and responsible AI systems. Governments and organizations will increasingly regulate AI, requiring professionals who can ensure compliance and minimize harm. 4. How to prepare for the AI job revolution. AI isn't just about job loss, it's also about opportunities. The best way to secure your future is to adapt and upskill. Learn AI and automation tools. Even if you're not in tech, understanding AI will give you a competitive advantage. Develop soft skills, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and problem solving will be more valuable than ever. Be open to change. The job market will keep evolving. Lifelong learning is key. AI is transforming the job market. Some jobs will disappear, others will evolve, and entirely new careers will emerge. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and learn. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Horizons for more insights into the future of technology and AI. And let me know in the comments, Do you think AI will replace your job, or will it open new opportunities for you? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.